Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about the new Natasha Denona Glam palette, which I recently just got. So this palette features 15 gorgeous shades. So I'm going to read the palette's description. Recreate Natasha Denona's glam makeup looks with the Natasha Denona Glam eyeshadow palette featuring neutral and taupe shades in matte, metallic, and sparkling finishes. It's the ultimate everyday palette for super dramatic smoky eyes and natural glam looks. Plus, get the insider tips from Natasha Denona herself. Each shade is named after its ideal placement for effortless application. I think that's genius because the names were ideal placement for the shades. So you already have a guide here on like when you're creating looks. So that's amazing. So I actually already did my makeup. As you can see, I did 3 looks for today. This is the last look. So if you want to see all the looks that I've created, including this, keep on watching. Or if you want to get into the looks already, I'll have timestamps down in the description box so you can skip everything. But now, let's take a look at the palette and then let's do some swatches. So just like any other Natasha Denona palettes, this feels super nice. It feels expensive, it feels professional, it's sleek, it's pretty. And on the back, you have holes here. It's actually, I just recently noticed. I didn't know this before. I didn't know this before. I can't with English right now. But yeah, I never noticed but knew this. English. But yeah, these holes were like holes so you can poke it through and pop the eyeshadows out, and then you can like arrange them. That's awesome. I never knew that. So now let's take a look at the shades. She's a bit dirty right now because as I've said, I've already did 3 looks. Why can't I speak? Like, anyway, so you already have a mirror here. Also, you guys, this has the suggested shelf life of 24 months. So these are the gorgeous shades. Let me zoom you in. So these are the gorgeous shades. Now let me do some swatches starting from the top. Let's start with this shade right here. So the name of this shade is Center Eyelid. It's a medium rose pink with a metallic finish. This one is Outer Eyelid. This one is a warm gray brown with a metallic finish. This one is Inner Corner. Pink Champagne with a sparkling finish. This one is Crease. It's a neutral taupe with a matte finish. This one is Transition. It's a warm gray with a metallic finish. Or matte finish. It's a matte finish. Warm gray with a matte finish. I'm so sorry. So this is the first row. Can you already see like how gorgeous this palette is? This is just the first row. It's gorgeous. And now let's do this second row, starting from this shade Smoke. It's an espresso taupe with a matte finish. Espresso taupe. Oh, I messed that up. I have to say though, these are all super smooth. Next is Blend. Warm light brown with a matte finish. Next is Lash Line. It's a deep cool brown with a matte finish. Let me do another swatch of that. There. Gorgeous. Next is Inner Corner. It's a light pewter with a metallic finish. Next is Center Eyelid. Silver taupe with a metallic finish. So this is Inner Corner and this is Center Eyelid. So now let's do the last row, the bottom row, starting with this shade right here. This is Center Eyelid. It's a medium gold with a metallic finish. That is gorgeous. Next is Outer Eyelid. It's a warm dark brown with a metallic finish. Next is Center Eyelid. It's a pale gold with a metallic finish. And then this one is outer eyelid. It's a dark brown taupe with a metallic finish. Last is brow bone. This is a warm champagne with a metallic finish. I'm up to my elbows already. That is super pretty. So these are all the shades. They're so gorgeous. I love every single one of them. They're all very pretty. I'm in love with the mattes. I'm in love with the metallics. They're all just amazing. So you guys, all of these shades were super smooth. Like, they're like butter. They're so creamy and smooth. And they're all so pigmented and they're all easy to work with. And again, the names of the shades were so helpful when you're like trying to build a look, because it's already like a guide. So you get like four center eyelid shades, and then 3 outer eyelid shades, 2 inner corner shades, 1 crease shade, 1 transition shade, 1 smoke shade, 1 blend shade, 1 lash line shade, which was the darkest shade, 1 brow bone shade. So yeah, I love this palette. I recommend it. You should try it. This is so gorgeous. So now let's move on with the looks that I did. So again, I did 3 looks, including this one. So let's jump right into it. For the first look, I'm going to take this shade using my finger. I'm going to put this all over my lids. And then I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put this all over my lids, starting from my outer corner, working my way into the crease, but not being like precise with it, you know. I'm just putting it all over, like so. And then again, using my finger, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put it here all over my lid. Going back with my brush to blend. And then I'm taking this shade right here and I'm putting this on my outer V. And then with another brush, I'm going to just blend again. And still using this shade, I'm going to apply this on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply it here on my inner corners. And I'm dragging it on the inner half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking this shade and apply it on my brow bone. So that is the first look. Now let's proceed with the other eye. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to buff this all over my lids, like so. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm just going to do the same thing, buff it all over my lids. And then I'm going to be taking this dark shade right here and I'm going to put that on my outer V. And then I'm going to be taking this shade using my finger and apply it all over my lids. And then I'm going back with my brush to blend. And then using this shade right here, I'm going to apply that here on my inner corners. Also going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm going to take this shade and apply this under my lower lash line, like so. So this is the first 2 looks. So I'm just going to remove this so we can get on to the third and last look. For the third look, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to buff this all over my lids, like so. And then I'm going to take this shade and apply this on my outer V. And then I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this on the outer half of my lid. Take this shade right here using my finger and apply it on the inner half of my lid. Now I'm just going back with my brush to blend. And then I'm taking this shade and apply it on my inner corners. And I'm also going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to take this shade right here and apply this under my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to put on some eyeliner, lashes, and mascara, then I'll be right back to show you the final look. So this is what it looks like when I have my liner, mascara, and lashes on. So yeah, this is the final look. Again, you guys, I'm super in love with this palette. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Bye!